Police Department.
Hi, I wanted to know what in the actual fucking cunt is happening at your police department. Serious question.
No, you can tell me too.
I'm sorry?
So you can tell me.
I'm watching two videos of officers lying. I'm watching somebody getting thrown out of the police department for trying to get a complaint form. Seriously, how this is the definition of corruption here. You would agree or disagree?
I'm going to speak anyway about it because I've not seen those videos yet. I came into work and we're already dealing with this about 400 calls already. So I haven't even had time to look at these.
Okay. Well, we got officers lying on their body cam. See, that's the cool thing about the body cam is that it doesn't lie. It's a fair and impartial tool. So, this is like some Nazi Germany shit, man. You guys should be really, really scared to be.
Yeah, this definitely sounds like Nazi Germany.
Yeah. Yeah. I would be worried to be. But you're safe though, because you're part of the Third Reich. So you're covered. So you're good. But the rest of the people of the city should probably be a little bit nervous. But you're good because you're part of the force. So what's your name?
This is Officer Duke.
Officer Duke. Okay.
So if you have anything else or any complaints like that, we can forward you to the chief's message system, and he's been taking all these. So
you could do what? I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
send it to the chief's voicemail because he's been taking all the complaints on this.
Okay. Yeah, I already left him a message thus far. So, all right. Thanks. All right, man. Fucking unbelievable. He took it well.